Why wait for your new home to be built when you can have a like new turnkey home that's ready to go? Let's check it out. We have a well-placed powder room. Inviting living room, recessed lights, open concept kitchen, huge prep area for the island, separate dining area, stainless appliances, large pantry, 2-car garage. Large primary bedroom. Owner's bath has double bowl sink, walk-in shower, and linen closet. And here we have a huge walk-in closet. Bedroom number 2. And a convenient second floor laundry. Bedroom 3. 4th bedroom. And the shared bath with tub, shower combo, and double bowl vanity. Sassafras Meadows neighborhood lies just off Route 50. We're also close to North Salisbury, shopping, restaurants, and Salisbury University. Call my cell to see this beautiful home.